cruise, room 9201, Grand Scenic Ocean View. I just want to do a quick review on this room. I didn't have time. I was very busy, but here is this is standard bathroom. We'll get ready to leave the ship. Closets. This is where your safe is. Lefty closet. Have upper space. Queen size bed. Pull out sofa, I do believe. And this is the infamous windows. And the mirror, of course. Like I said, we're getting ready to leave, so I just want to do a very quick review. Let me show you these windows. You have push button. Just push and the shades go down. They go all the way down. You push it again. It goes back up. And both sides does this. Go down at night, bring it up in the morning. I just want to do a quick review on 9201. We're getting ready to leave the ship. Sorry, this room is junky, but we're getting ready to go. But I did want to go ahead and put it out there, 9201. Great, awesome view. Awesome view. Thank you.